भारत के पूर्व वायुसेना प्रमुख विवेक राम चौधरी कहते हैं, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर भारत के इतिहास में एक महत्वपूर्ण मोड़ था। मुझे लगता है कि जब हम सशस्त्र बलों की उपलब्धियों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हर कोई गर्व महसूस करता है।
It's a daunting task to speak after two of my colleagues have already engrossed you with myriad topics. But let me make it a little more light-hearted by taking this opportunity when I have two of my batchmates sitting on a stage here along with me. You know, once the three chiefs, service chiefs got together and they were deciding as to whose soldiers or sailors or airmen are the most courageous. You know, Army chief spoke about the virtues being courageous, one of the three C's he spoke about. So he said, let's have a test. So the Navy chief called one of his sailors, he says, climb up here and jump. So the sailor jumped. He said, see what kind of courage he's got. The Army chief says, that is nothing. Call my soldier. He tells the soldier, go blindfolded on top and jump. So blindfolded, he jumps, he does one somersault and jumps. You see, that is courage. Now the Air Force chief calls his airman, he said, you come here, go on top and jump. So airman climbs up, he looks down and he says, pagal hai kya? So the air chief says, that is courage, to talk to the chief like that. So, anyway, like I said, I will take the help of a few slides to cover what I want to do in the next 15 odd minutes. But before that, as I go on, one event, one turning moment in the history of India was Operation Sindoor. You'll all agree this year? Yeah. I think everybody's chest fills with pride when we talk about how the armed forces achieved what they did